by Argos Fragrances, and this is Adonis Awakens. Now this fragrance right here, it is a scent that is as captivating as its name, which it's named after the Greek god. This is the most interesting rose and floral fragrance that I think I've ever smelled. I was absolutely not expecting this fragrance to smell the way that it does. It's woody and juicy and fruity and citrusy, and yet it's a rose. Like, I don't know how they did that, but those top notes of bergamot, grapefruit, and pink peppercorn, it gives the fragrance this fresh and zesty opening, but I don't know, something like invigorating and uplifting is going on here. And then as the fragrance continues, there's the Bulgarian rose, the jasmine sambac, the vanilla, and raspberry. And I love the addition of raspberry here. It adds some juiciness, some fruitiness, some playfulness to the fragrance, and it doesn't dry it out too much. And I love that touch of sweetness that really balances out the freshness of the top notes. And that vanilla note, it adds creaminess to it. And like I said, that raspberry has a smooth and fruity touch. But what I think is the just star of this fragrance is that lactonic, chestnutty, creamy food that comes about after an hour or so. It's just what makes this fragrance so unique. I've never smelled a rose like this before, so I think it'd be totally worth it to add.